As an online seller, whether you're running an independent store on Shopify or managing an eBay store, you probably spend a lot of time and effort sourcing products from suppliers. But what if I told you that there is a solution, a tool that instantly matches the products you want to source and cross-references them across multiple suppliers, all in seconds? And it doesn't stop there, really. For every product suggestions, you will also see your exact profit up front. So there's no more guesswork for you, okay? In this video, I'm gonna show you one of the best and most powerful updates that Zik Analytics has ever released. For the first time, I will review the new item finder, and by the end of this video you will see why manual product sourcing is officially a thing of the past. All right, let's get started. So what is the item finder? So first, I'm going to walk you through all the latest updates, and then I'm going to show you how to use this tool effectively. We're going to start with examples for eBay sellers and then move to Shopify and independent store sellers. All right, so for those who aren't familiar with the item finder tool, let me quickly show you what it does in general and why it's so powerful. First, it's important to know that the item finder is available for all Zik plans, whether you're using it for Shopify or eBay, it doesn't matter, right? And these new updates are included in every plan. So once you subscribe, you'll get full access to this upgraded tool right away. In general, this tool is integrated throughout the Zik Analytics platform, from eBay tools like the trending eBay products, the product research tool, and the product explorer, to Shopify tools such as the store sales tracker and product explorer. Basically, it works wherever products can be matched with suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and much more. All right, then you're gonna recognize it as a square icon on the right side with a supplier logo, depending on your preferences. Its role is simple yet crucial. It automatically matches the products you see selling from your competitor's store to the exact or similar product from the supplier. This tool will automatically find the source for the same or similar product using the latest technology that combines image and text matching. Whether you are a dropshipper or selling your own stock, this tool helps you instantly find and save the right products to your Zik folder, dramatically reducing the time you spend manually searching through suppliers' website. For example, if you prefer to source products from AliExpress, and then you can go here into the quick settings right here, right? And then you select your preferred marketplace or platform like that. And then you can choose the source website, you see? And once you set that up, the item finder will prioritize showing supplier matches from your selected source. Now you're probably wondering, what are the new updates in this tool and how will they benefit my product research? Very good questions. Let's start with the first update, which is the new interface. As you can see, it's now more user-friendly and works like a mini dashboard, help you quickly identify the best source for your product. And then here on the left side, you will see the product from the marketplace or platform that you're selling on, and whether it's eBay or Shopify, okay? And then here on the right side, what you can see is the item finder in action, displaying exact or similar products from different suppliers. This clear separation makes sourcing much faster and more efficient. And another important improvement is that you can now see how many times the product has been sold within your selected time frame, along with its current selling price. This means you will have all the key data visible while sourcing the product from suppliers, allowing you to make informed decisions instantly. Now, let's go to the second update, which is a game changer. For every product suggestion, the item finder will now display these metrics right here. The profit margin, which means it's the percentage of profit that you will make after deducting costs relative to the selling price. The exact profit right here. So this is the actual profit amount after marketplace or platform fees. This right here gives you an instant way to check whether a product is worth selling worth listing or not, all right? Plus, the profit line right here, you can see it's color coded. Green means the product is profitable, while red means it's not. So like visually, you can already feel, all right? And for those who prefer tracking ROI, which is return of investment, that data is also visible for every product. Just to clarify, profit margin measures how much profit you make from a sale after deducting costs related to the selling product. ROI, return of investment, it calculates the profit earned relative to the cost of acquiring the product, so showing how efficiently your investment generates returns. Some sellers prefer working with profit margin, while others focus on ROI. Based on Hargeva, the CEO of Zik Analytics, a good profit margin should be around 10 to 15% for local suppliers like Amazon and Walmart, and 30% or more for AliExpress products. On the other hand, the ROI is more commonly used by sellers who manage their own inventory and want to track the return of their investment for each sale. The third update is all about cross-referencing multiple suppliers. The item finder no longer limits you just to one supplier based on your preferences. Now you can source smarter by seeing if the product is available from multiple suppliers. This allows you to compare prices across different sources, helping you find the best deal and maximize your profits. What I'm saying is that with these updates, product sourcing has never been easier or more efficient. So finally, the last update is the improved product matching for AliExpress. As you can see here, for each product, we get multiple suggestions from different AliExpress suppliers, giving us more options to choose from. And not only that, the processing time for finding these results has been significantly improved, meaning that you will get faster and more accurate product matches than like ever before. It's crazy. So in this part of the video, I'm going to break down things into two sections, okay? First, I'm going to show you how to optimize this tool if you are selling on eBay and using Zik Analytics to streamline your workflow. Then, in the second part, I'm going to walk you through how to make the most of this tool for independent store owners like Shopify sellers. If you are an eBay seller, let me guide you on how to make the most of the item finder tool and its latest updates, okay? First, we have to set this up correctly. What you do is, I'll just go here to the quick settings section right here on the left side of the screen. And then now it's really important to make sure that your marketplace, shipping location, and source website are all set properly. And for example, if you're using AliExpress as your supplier, your shipping location should be set to China. But if you're sourcing from local suppliers like Amazon or Walmart, then you will need to select United States as the shipping location. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to need to set up your break-even percentage. This number varies from seller to seller and country to country, but in most cases, it's between 15% and 19%. For this example, I'm going to go with 16%. Since this will affect the final profit calculations that the item finder will show, this is the right place to do that. Once everything's set up, I'm just going to click here, apply changes, and we are ready to go, my friends. Now, let's talk about how the item finder matches products and what each result means. If the item finder finds an exact match, you will see a green check mark next to the product, just like this one right here. If it finds a similar match, which is usually an alternative product with the same or even better qualities, then you're going to see the supplier's logo, but without the green check mark. And most of the time, these similar matches are great opportunities to add new or improved products to your eBay store. And then there are the products that the item finder could not match at all. But do not worry, my friends. I'm going to show you exactly what to do with these unmatched products later in this video, so don't go anywhere. Now that everything is set up here, let's just click on this product right here from the item finder, okay? As you can see, the tool matched this exact product and we have a green check mark, meaning it was sold 6 times in the past 7 days and it's sourced from Amazon. But before I save this product, I need to make sure that Amazon offers the best price so I can maximize my profit when selling it on eBay. And the only way to know for sure is to compare it with other suppliers. And to do that, I can just switch to Walmart tab, and then I can check if the same product is available at a better price. And in case I don't want to find any results but still want to check other suppliers, I can just click on these icons right here, and Zik will instantly match the product results from suppliers like Walmart, AliExpress, and much more. Okay, now let's just say that I want to add this product to my eBay dropshipping store. Then I have two options. First, I can save the product to a Zik folder, and then from there I can request a CSV file with all the products I selected, which I can then upload to any product monitor or even manually list on eBay. And then the second option is to add the product directly to a product monitor tool that integrates with Zik Analytics like AutoDS, for example. Now, here's a great update. If you don't want to save the product in a folder and just add it immediately, you can now send it directly to AutoDS or SaleFreaks. The product will then be waiting in the drafts section of your monitor, ready to be uploaded. This is especially useful for sellers who manually search for products and prefer to upload them one by one instead of in bulk. And if you want to integrate your product monitor, simply click on Advanced Settings, and then you go to Integrations, and then connect your product monitor, whether it's AutoDS or SaleFreaks. Now, you might be wondering, what if the item finder only finds a similar product or doesn't find a match at all? Well, if the item finder suggests a similar match, you can consider adding that product if the price range and product quality are similar or better. But if you prefer to manually add a different product, all you have to do is to take the AC number for Amazon or the Walmart product ID of the product you found, and then you paste it into the AC or the product ID column in Zik. Then you just click reload, and Zik will replace the suggested product with the one you selected. But my friends, I know, what if the item finder does not find a match at all and the box turns red? Just like this one right here. Believe it or not, this is actually a huge opportunity. If a product does not have a supplier source somewhere, but even Zik's advanced matching technology can't find it, that usually means that the eBay seller went just like the extra mile to hide their source. That's just a big deal. Most of the time, these products have a higher profit margin in lower competition, which is exactly why other sellers try to keep them hidden. Instead of skipping these unmatched products, here's what I recommend. First, manually search for the product on your supplier's website by copying and pasting the product title. Once you find it, grab the ASIN or the Walmart product ID, reload it in Zik, and that's it. You're gonna be surprised how many high profit products you can uncover this way, all right? Second, what you can do is you can use Google Lens to search for the product image across the web. Sometimes eBay sellers use custom images, which is why the item finder might not detect an exact match, all right? So that's why use Google Lens. And third, you can actually type the supplier's name like Amazon or Walmart in the search bar while searching for the product. This can help you manually locate similar or identical listings. And with these new updates, the item finder is now more powerful than ever, helping you quickly source products, compare suppliers, calculate profit margins, and even uncover hidden opportunities in the market. Now it's the time to put this tool to work and start finding profitable eBay dropshipping products in just like a few clicks, all right? All right, my friends, so if you want to start using this upgraded item finder and save a lot of time on product sourcing, you can start today for just $1 for the first week. Gain full access to Zik Analytics and take your e-commerce product research just to the next level. $1 for the first week, my friends. No excuses, do it, and let me know what you think about Zik Analytics, all right? So if you're looking to source products for your independent store like Shopify, the first thing you need to do is just to make sure that you are on the right marketplace. And then I'm just gonna switch here to Shopify since it's that platform that we're focusing on. And then the next important thing is to set up the quick settings. I'll just click here on the quick settings and then I add the source website, whether it's like Alibaba or AliExpress. If you are a dropshipper, AliExpress is usually the best option, while Alibaba is ideal if you are selling your own private label products or working with direct suppliers. Either way, with the Product Explorer, you will be able to see both options, but here you're choosing your preferred supplier to be displayed first. And then after setting the supplier, you will notice that the item finder icon is available in multiple places across Zik Analytics. Basically, anywhere the platform cross-references a product that has been sold on Shopify to its source supplier. So this includes tools like the Market Insights dashboard, the Store Sales Tracker, and the Product Explorer. Now, let's just go with this product right here as an example to fully see the tool in action. Let's just say that I'm interested in this product right here and I want to source it. All I have to do, my friends, is just to click here on the item finder, and then this tool will instantly find the same or similar product from the supplier that I previously selected, which in this case is AliExpress. And then from here, the process is quite simple. I can explore all the results that I got, and since I'm working with AliExpress and Alibaba, I will usually see multiple sourcing options for the same product. And this is great because more options means more opportunity to find the best deal. But since there are so many options, we need to focus on 3 key factors to find the best supplier. All right, you have to focus on seller rating because this helps us determine if the supplier is trustworthy. And then you have to look at the product satisfaction from other buyers. So a high rating means that the product is good quality. And then on the third, the price that leaves the most profit margin. Okay, you have to keep that in mind, ensuring that we maximize profitability. And once you've checked all these 3 factors, my friend, then you found the best product and supplier to source from. For example, after reviewing a few product suggestions from the item finder, I decided to go with this one right here. Why? Well, first, the product rating is quite high, which means it's good quality and perfect for an independent store. Second, the seller rating, which is located right here at the bottom of the page, is also strong, ensuring that if I ever needed to handle returns or inquiries or anything like that, it's going to be smooth and hassle-free. And lastly, the product price leaves me plenty of room for a great profit margin. You might be wondering what happens if the item finder can't match the product from a supplier, right? Well, it's a good question. In that case, it likely means that the Shopify store you're pulling the product from is selling a unique or private label item or using custom images instead of standard supplier images. But if that happens, don't worry. You have a few workarounds, all right? You can use the Google Lens just to search for the product online, or you can take the main keywords from the Shopify product title and manually search on AliExpress to find similar or identical products. Also, if you're using local suppliers like Amazon or Walmart, which I generally do not recommend for worldwide dropshipping, you also have the option to source from other local suppliers. Simply click here on the icons below and Zik will generate the best matching product results from your selected supplier. It's that simple, guys. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here until now. I really appreciate it. Now you're fully equipped with all the information you need to boost your e-commerce business and source products in just seconds. With all the extra time you will save, you can spend more time with your loved ones, or you can focus on growth, or you can scale your store and take your business to new heights. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Keep moving forward and see you next time.